It is a new day, a new week, a new month, a new series and a new fiscal year as well, as we've been pointing out. Let's welcome Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls for a quick technical check on the market. Sachi, your thoughts, where do we go from here? It's been a very good start. The Nifty's hit the record high along with the Sensex. Do you think it's time for a pause, or maybe it's the start of a fresh new momentum move?
Good morning, Nigel. Good morning, Mangalam. Mangalam, I think this move has already been initiated. The way the Nifty surpassed that 22,200 hurdle on previous Thursday, that had already set the momentum clearly on the bullish side. So going forward, 22,500 may act as a minor hurdle, but eventually we see this particular level also getting surpassed. So for this particular series, we are anticipating that we may see the Nifty swinging towards 22,730 kind of a mark. The floor is very well set at around 22,000 as of now, and we don't see any major movement below the same. So probably a pullback towards 22,400, 22,300 would again give a good opportunity to create some long positions. So I think from a momentum and trend perspective, April could be a very clear-cut, trending month. So definitely, one should look at more of buying opportunities. And the trend so far looks confident. So we are optimistic that this particular rally may continue and extend towards 22,730.
Okay, a sense of bullishness in your tone, Sachi. Thanks a lot for joining in. What about individual stocks?
Nigel, I think Nifty PSC stocks are trending well, and both my top picks are from that particular sector itself. Now, if you look at IRCTC, the stock was trending lower on the weekly scale. It did exhibit a kind of a declining wedge formation. Today we have got a confirmation of a breakout, so we are expecting that this particular rally may continue towards the 1,010 levels, and that's why we have also recommended participating on the long side in this particular counter to our clients. So one can chase momentum even at this juncture, keep a stop loss somewhere close to around 946 on the lower side, an immediate target towards 990, followed by a target of around 1,010. So long positions to be added in IRCTC. And since metals have been trending, higher, and the momentum across this particular sector is very confident, even Coal India should start participating here. If you look at the last 2 months, the stock was consolidating well. The floor is very well set at around 430. The momentum that we have received in today's session may extend towards 466 during this particular week, and that's why we are recommending building long positions here in Coal India. Keep a stop loss at around 438 from a trading perspective.
Interesting move on Coal India as well. The stocks moved to the high point of trade. Sachi, would you have a thought on some of these real estate plays? They're doing extremely well. DLF, for instance, is up 7%. The gains have, accrued after the market opened, as against opening up with a big pop. So Godrej Properties, DLF, all these real estate stocks, you have any thoughts here? Do you think this rally can extend?
When we look at the rollover data, clearly Oberoi Realty was one particular stock which displayed very strong long rollovers. Even DLF was showing more of a short covering, a rally. But going forward, I think price-wise there has not been any distortion, and we expect that this particular rally may continue. Even if you look at the data of DLF right now, the trajectory looks clear till 1,000, 1,020 kind of a zone. And even here, I think momentum could sustain unless the stock trends above that 900 mark. So I think on a pullback, this particular stock can be considered. Keep a stop loss somewhere close to 910, and we may see an extended rally towards 1,020.
All right, take that point. Thank you so much for joining in. Wish you a very happy FY25, Sacchitanand. With that, we shift focus to our special segment.